Hello beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. My mommy in the Lord sent me this video. Okay, so I needed to recreate it. Reverend Mrs. Nena Gussin, thank you mommy. So let's dive right into our cucumber stew. And this tasted so good. I have 3 cucumber and this is what I'll be using. So next I'll peel off the skin because some of the skin are actually bitter. So to be on the safer side, let's peel off the skin. So it's been washed already and we are peeling off the skin. For this very cucumber, the skin was not bitter, so I set them aside for later use. So I'll show you what I use them for. Next, I'll be deseeding the cucumber. So I'll remove all the seed. Some of the seed are actually bitter too. I tested one and it was bitter. So that's another reason for you to remove the seed. When we are done with this, we will chop it into a smaller size and we'll go ahead to blend. Let me use this medium to appreciate everyone that have always been coming back. Thank you for your support. I'm not taking your love for granted, okay? So for those that are coming for the first time, you are welcome. Here we do amazing recipe that you will love. Please stay connected. So here is what I got. So next I'll transfer the cucumber right into my blender and I'm gonna blend this till it is very smooth. Some people actually added water, but I didn't add water to mine. So after blending, I'll go ahead to strain the cucumber. What we need is the paste. So we're gonna strain it very well. Just do it the way you see on the screen till all the liquid has drained off. Okay, so next I'll set this aside. This water, I actually used it to blend the peels that I got from the cucumber, and this is what I got. Next, in my pot, I'll be adding in vegetable oil, and this vegetable oil, I use it in frying my chicken. And I'll go ahead to add in my chopped onion. This is the tomato paste I'll be using, and this is chicken seasoning tomato paste. This tomato paste is so good. I recommend it. Okay, so next I'll transfer the paste right into the pot, and I'll stir fry this on a medium heat. Next, I'll go ahead to add in my blended habanero pepper and onion blended together. So I'll stir fry this for a bit and I'm gonna cover this to cook for a few minutes so that the tangy taste will go off. And after a few minutes, I'm back to check on the sauce and it's doing amazing. I'll stir this and I'll add in my cucumber paste. I'll also add in my chicken broth. If you don't have any broth, you can add in water. So I added in more chicken broth to loosen it up. And this is the consistency I'll be going in for. So I'll stir this together and I'll cover to cook for a few minutes and I'll come back to check. And this is after a few minutes. Next, I'll be adding in my seasoning powder. You can use any seasoning powder of choice. I'll add in my curry powder and I'll go ahead to add in bay leaf and the protein. So you can use any protein of choice. That will be so good. This recipe of a truth tasted so amazing. So I'm going to stir this and cook for a few minutes and the recipe is done. I'll see you in my next one. So from me is bye bye.